Before you buy any tattoo removal cream, there's one thing product pages never tell you. Most of these creams aren't actually designed to remove tattoos at all. Instead, they target pigmentation, scars, or aftercare. But real buyers are using them for tattoo fading, and the results, surprisingly mixed. Let's break down what actually works. Product number 1, TOSOWONG Arbutin plus TXA Brightening Cream. This Korean skincare gem caught my eye because it's packed with 7% arbutin and 4% tranexamic acid, two powerhouse ingredients known for fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation. At $22.53 for 50 ml, it's mid-range but backed by over 10,000 recent buyers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Tattoo ink can break down over time and leave behind stubborn pigmentation that looks like a bruise or shadow. This cream doesn't remove the tattoo, but it can significantly lighten the discolored areas around or within faded ink. The addition of niacinamide and glutathione helps even out skin tone while calming inflammation. It absorbs fast, doesn't clog pores, and is gentle enough for daily use, even on sensitive skin. Plus, it's free from parabens and artificial dyes, which matters if you're trying to avoid harsh chemicals on compromised skin. Now, some people complained about slow results or no change at all. Here's the thing though, this isn't a magic eraser. It works best on surface-level pigmentation, not deep ink. If your tattoo is still bold and dark, this won't touch it. But if you've already had laser treatments and are dealing with leftover gray or ashy patches, this can help blend them into your natural skin tone. This is perfect for you if you've started tattoo removal and want to speed up the fading of residual pigmentation. Skip this one if you're expecting full tattoo removal. It's not that kind of product. For the price and ingredient profile, it's solid value if used correctly. Product number 2, Mad Rabbit Tattoo Soothing Gel. You've probably seen this one on Shark Tank. It's a premium aftercare gel made for new tattoos, but people are using it during removal to calm irritated skin. Priced at $28.30 for 3.4 ounces, it's on the higher end, but with 5,000 plus recent buyers, it's clearly resonating. If you want a clean, fast-acting gel to reduce itchiness and redness after laser sessions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Tattoo removal is brutal on your skin. Laser treatments leave it raw, swollen, and intensely itchy. This gel uses aloe vera, allantoin, and bisabolol to deliver instant cooling relief like a cold compress in a bottle. It's also packed with sweet almond and argan oil to rebuild your skin's moisture barrier without clogging pores. Unlike heavy ointments, it absorbs quickly and doesn't trap heat, which is crucial when your skin is trying to heal. Now, some people complained it didn't help with actual tattoo fading. Here's the thing though, that's not what it's for. This is aftercare, not removal. It won't lighten ink, but it will make the recovery process way more bearable. If you're doing multiple laser sessions, this can be a game changer for comfort and healing speed. This is perfect for you if you're actively undergoing tattoo removal and need relief between sessions. Skip this one if you're looking for a fading cream. It won't lighten your tattoo. For post-laser care though, it's one of the cleanest, most effective options out there. Product number 3, Palmer's Aventone Fade Cream. This drugstore favorite costs just $5.92 for 2.7 ounces, yes, under $6. Palmer's has been around for over 180 years, and this fade cream uses cocoa butter, vitamin E, and niacinamide to target dark spots and uneven tone. With 4,000 plus recent buyers, it's a budget-friendly option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Not everyone needs a high-tech formula. If your tattoo has already faded significantly and you're just dealing with faint shadows or pigmentation, this cream can help even things out. It's not strong enough to tackle deep ink, but it's great for blending faded edges or reducing the appearance of old, blurry tattoos. Plus, it doubles as a daily moisturizer, so you're not adding another step to your routine. Now, some people complained it didn't work on deeper pigmentation or took too long to show results. Here's the thing though, this is a maintenance product, not a treatment. It's like using sunscreen. Consistent use over time makes a difference. If you're patient and realistic, it can help soften the look of old ink. This is perfect for you if you have a very faded tattoo and want a cheap, gentle way to even out skin tone. Skip this one if your tattoo is still bold or you expect overnight results. For the price, it's a solid entry-level option. Product number 4, Pumcot Silicone Scar Cream. This $32.18 silicone-based scar gel is marketed for surgical scars and stretch marks, but people are using it on tattoo removal sites to reduce raised or discolored scar tissue. With 1,000+ recent buyers, it's a niche pick. If you've had laser treatments and are dealing with bumpy, red, or dark scarring where your tattoo was, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Tattoo removal can leave behind more than just faded ink. It can cause thick, red, or hyperpigmented scars, especially if your skin reacts poorly to laser. This cream uses medical-grade silicone to flatten and soften scar tissue while reducing redness and darkness. It locks in moisture, encourages collagen balance, and creates a protective barrier that helps scars heal smoother and flatter. It absorbs fast and doesn't feel greasy, so you can wear it under clothes or makeup. Now, some people complained it didn't work on old scars or required months of use. Here's the thing though, scar remodeling takes time. This isn't a quick fix, but for recent or raised scars from tattoo removal, it's one of the most clinically supported options. It won't remove the tattoo, but it can make the aftermath look much cleaner. This is perfect for you if you're healing from laser removal and want to minimize scar appearance. Skip this one if you're looking for tattoo fading. It's for scar care, not ink removal. For post-procedure recovery, it's a smart investment. Product number 5, JPRQ Maximum Strength Tattoo Cream. This $30.892 pack is one of the few products actually branded for tattoo use specifically to soothe skin during and after tattoo sessions. With only 400+ recent buyers, it's less popular, but it claims 8-hour relief for tattoos, waxing, and piercings. If you want a pre- and post-tattoo cream that supports skin comfort during the entire process, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're getting a new tattoo or removing an old one, your skin goes through trauma. This cream is designed to reduce discomfort, redness, and irritation with a lightweight, fast-absorbing formula. It's dermatologist-tested and non-greasy, so it won't interfere with healing or clog pores. Think of it as a supportive layer, not a removal tool, but a comfort booster. Now, some people complained it didn't help with fading or felt too mild. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to fade ink. It's for pain and inflammation relief. If you're doing laser removal, this can be a helpful addition to your aftercare routine to keep skin calm and hydrated. This is perfect for you if you're preparing for or recovering from tattoo procedures and want gentle, long-lasting relief. Skip this one if you're looking for actual tattoo removal. For comfort and skin support though, it's a decent pick. So which one should you buy? If you're fading pigmentation after laser, go with TOSOWONG. For post-removal itch and burn, Mad Rabbit is a lifesaver. On a budget, Palmer's does the job for light fading. Dealing with scarring, Pumcot Silicone Gel is your best bet. And if you just want comfort during the process, JPRQ helps with that. None remove tattoos fully, but used right, they can make the journey easier.